Hi, my name is Sun Wei, and I'm the CEO of A Placeware by APW. To me, it's always about personal curiosity and having the vision to see things through. But what's important is that the curiosity needs to have the vision. So at any point in time I feel that I'm losing focus or losing direction in what I'm doing, I revisit the idea of my curiosity of where I'm at. Is it still a compass that I'm really interested in, and I pursue that continuously. The first is obviously I didn't think that it will take this long, and to be honest, it's been a lot of self-reflection process along the way, and I've come to realize that good process really takes time, and I finally understood the word breakthrough. A lot of times you're working on something for continuous long period of time and there's no change or no signs of progress, but the minute there is a real breakthrough, there's a real step up, and that really elevates to another portion. So the story of APW has really been a catalyst after a catalyst. Every site has its own story and history that I enjoy kind of like researching and finding new angles to provide a new narrative. The process of that sense of discovery becomes a very interesting development portion of how I process and do my work. I'm a big believer of longevity and also, I guess, a trusted steward to ensure that we can bring the history to the present and provide a new angle for new narratives.